IBKR stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. So is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, looking at interactive brokers, I appreciate the bullish market, right? And with all that to say, I've been in the market for 5 years, done 41,000 videos, all documented like no one else in this space from this sort of character and caliber of videos. And honestly, like since last time I made it, I called out the exact bottom. Now you might think I'm lying to you. This is BS. There's no way you called it out. Here's the truth, bro. There you go. This video was made when it was sitting 153 bucks a month ago, 22nd of April. 22nd of April was like right here. And then we just started pumping, right? So that's beautiful. And all that to say, now the next target here is about to be freaking 235. So if I'm willing to double down on this, is obviously gonna be me buying. So how's that gonna look like? Well, I have my demand zones here, and only way that I'm gonna look to practically double down, get involved, is if there is some sort of a correction, double break, and then I take things up, right? And I mean, other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. This is my confirmation point here. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.